Welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are doing a complete altcoin analysis. Now, before we get into the altcoin analysis, make sure to check us out on our main YouTube channel, MegaWhale Crypto, where we post daily videos of Bitcoin focusing on the facts, the data, the technical, and the structural information. No hype, no BS, no emotion, pure raw TA. And if you're interested in more of that kind of content, you can join us on Telegram. That will be the first link down below. You'll get access to charts, updates, videos, educational posts, news events, and everything you need to stay in the loop with cryptocurrency, with Bitcoin, and the relevant economic news. And if you were interested in taking your trading to the next level, you can join us in our VIP group where we post trading setups with exact entry prices, exact targets, exact stop losses, trade justification, exclusive analysis, and so much more. You'll also get access to all of our group chats with over 700 members, our trading chart and education chat, our daily video, help, news, and trade setup chats. You can find out more information about our VIP in the pinned comment of the free channel by clicking my name, or these two links showing you a video inside the channel and a 50-month trading track record by the first link. Check it out, guys, and let's dive into the altcoin video. Okay guys, let's go ahead and jump into it, and in today's video we are taking a look at Ethereum's price action, discussing the key levels you should be watching, potential macro targets, short-term price action, and much more. So let's go ahead and dive on in. As we can see, the Ethereum price action has just retested a major psychological point, that being the $4,000 level. Over the course of the last 2 months, we have seen a incredibly strong rally for Ethereum, pushing past that 2,500 level up to now $4,000 in a matter of about 4 to 5 weeks. Will this move continue higher? That is what we're going to be taking a look at. So let's go ahead and draw in a very important level. This is going to be a diagonal trend line from our prior highs, this being the March 2024 high, as well as the November 2021 high. As we can see, Ethereum has broken through this diagonal trend line very recently, actually within the last week, having retested now the $4,000 level and closing its prior weekly candle literally just over $4,000. I believe it was about $4 over, which is a great start for a continuation. We are watching our prior high points on the weekly as a potential support resistance flip level, which coincides with the confluence point, or should I say the downtrend of the 2021 and March 2024 high point. You can see the crossover of that downtrending trend line and that horizontal resistance directly below the price action. This is a level of support we are going to want to sustain above for Ethereum, and if we see a correction under this level, we could see a move back to our prior high points. Particularly the high point we are watching is around this 3,500 level, which is going to be that May-July high, okay? We are watching for two things. Number one, we are watching for a correction into support, for a support resistance flip, before a continuation into our all-time high, or if we fail to see that, we are watching for a rejection and a bounce from 3,500 before a continuation into our prior highs. Only a drop below 3,500, a drop below this horizontal area, this level of support, would invalidate the continuation. A candle below here would result in a correction much lower to retest our base of resistance at 2,700. So for Ethereum, the charts are looking fantastic. From a structural perspective, from a trend-based perspective, we are very much expecting continuations. The big question is, will Ethereum, and when it sees these short-term pullbacks, will it be able to absorb the selling pressure and show demand at these levels for the price to continue higher, or will it suffer the massive amount of selling and no demand and see the price action correct through these critical areas of support, invalidating the uptrend? At the moment, taking a look at Bitcoin dominance dropping significantly under 50 MA, taking a look at the total market cap rallying aggressively into new highs, it is likely we do see Ethereum continue upwards, but at some point we are going to see a market-wide pullback, and the pullback will be a bullish pullback. It is expected that these pullbacks occur. If we look at prior bull runs, for example, we look at the 2021 cycle, we had numerous short-term pullbacks, some even lasting 2 to 3 weeks during that rally toward the upside. These pullbacks lasted between days to 2 to 3 weeks, and were 15, 20, sometimes even 30% corrections. So not all pullbacks are bearish. Some pullbacks in uptrends are great opportunities to load in new positions and bring new money into the market. But will Ethereum sustain and absorb the selling pressure that may come from these corrections is a whole different story. So the key levels we need to sustain above are going to be the prior 2024 March to June high, represented by the price point around 3,800 to 3,900. And of course, the critical level we need to sustain above to remain bullish is going to be 3,400 to 3,500. These are potential support resistance flip areas. Ideally, we see a support resistance flip on this macro downtrend, which will facilitate a continuation into and very likely through this high point. And number two, if we don't see that and the absorption does not occur, the next level we are watching is going to be 3,500. So how I am playing Ethereum at the moment, I am bullish while we remain above 3,500. I'm expecting the price to continue higher. I'm expecting continuations into all-time highs. My personal expectation is we do eventually see $6,000 for Ethereum before this cycle actually ends, and I will remain bullish for Ethereum provided the 34 to 3,500 level of support is able to sustain. A loss of that level, I will then turn bearish. I will then expect steeper corrections, and the possibility of these continuations higher start to diminish, but the probability that we do see that eventual continuation upwards at the moment while we sustain above these key levels are significantly greater than the correction toward the downside. That is it for Ethereum. I do not want to get into anything more. I think we've identified the key and important levels we are watching. Keep it short, keep it sharp, keep it sweet. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. We will plan to post more videos on this channel. Again, we don't use the altcoin channel very much, but now that altcoins are heating up, now that the altcoin season has officially begun, right? We have seen the altcoin season officially start, and we have seen Bitcoin dominance drop. It is likely we'll be posting slightly more objective, unbiased, no shield content on this channel. So make sure to subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. If you are looking for a new exchange or just want to support the channel, sign up to BitUnix with the link down below. You'll get a lifetime trading fee discount of 15%, which can build up to 45% based on your trading volume, as well as access to a bonus reward center, and of course, all of the exclusive campaigns we run on this exchange. You'll also get access to BitUnix being a non-KYC exchange, meaning you can sign up from anywhere in the globe without regulations. And most importantly, I only promote exchanges I trust and I use. As you can see, I trade on BitUnix very regularly, being the highest VIP level with over $500 million in trading volume for the last 30 days. And lastly, if you were interested in signing up to our other two exchanges, BingX or BitGet, you can also do that via the links down below. You as well will get the 15% trading fee discount and everything else that comes with it. Go ahead and sign up. Thank you for supporting. Let's jump back in.